Stop wasting money on night cream. This homemade night cream, it will help to hydrate and support healthy looking skin while you sleep. Simple, natural, effective. So stay tuned. If you know you have dark spot, acne, sun damage, chemical damage. When I say chemical damage, it means like if you use some creams or some lotions and it has damaged your face, it damaged your body, stay tuned with me. Or if you are looking for glassing, smooth and softy body skin, stay tuned with me and we make this treatment together. This cream, night cream together, is very effective. So I'm showing you guys my avocado Vaseline. I'm using avocado Vaseline. You can use avocado Vaseline or you can use normal organic Vaseline, the one that we all know, that blue one. You can use that one also to make this cream. So after that, I put my aloe vera gel into it. I add aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. If you have planned to get a fresh aloe vera gel, you can use that one to do, but make sure you wash it thoroughly and use it. Or you can buy the one that they say in market, 100% pure aloe vera gel. That one also you can use to make this treatment. So after that, I have my carrot infusing oil. I use Johnson baby oil to infuse it. So if you don't get the carrot infusing oil, you have Johnson baby oil, you can add that one into this treatment. And I added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also you can get it in the various pharmacy, the pharmacy that just close to your house, or where the place, any place that you know that the pharmacy is there, just go there, you'll get your capsule, a vitamin E capsule. And I added my fresh lemon juice. I'm not putting the bottle one, that's the fresh one. This way, if you, before you add it this way, if you know that you don't have electric mixture to mix it very well, because you know water and oil sometimes it's very difficult to cooperate it for them to get together, to come together. So I'm using electric one to mix it very well. But if you don't have, add the fresh lemon into your your Vaseline. Replace it on the hot water to boil it, to melt it, so that when you melt it, it will come together. You allow it get cool before you add your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel also you can use the fresh one, but for the fresh one you have to make sure you wash it very well, because you know the head is having a poison. Or you can get it from the market, the way I buy the one they say 100% aloe vera gel, you use that one. So now before you apply this cream, you have to wash your face thoroughly. We'll make sure to apply it at night, okay? It's a night cream, not for daily. In the daytime when you get up, just make sure to wash it. This cream, if you know that you have chemical damage in your face, you have used some cream and it has damaged your face, or you have a dark spot, or you have acne, you have inner darker, your eyeball is dark, or the place that you feel like it's dark, try to be using this thing. And also if you are looking for glassing, glowing skin, this cream is going to help you a lot. Why avocado Vaseline is stealing the moisture overnight, okay? Why aloe vera gel also is hydrating, smoothing your body. Carrot oil also is also improving skin glowing to it. Why vitamin E oil also is repairing damaging skin. If you have damaging skin, that one I already said, like if your body, you have chemical damaging, you have dark spot, you have acne, you have sun damaging, those vitamin E oil is going to repair it for you. So the only thing, make sure to clean your face very thoroughly. You can use it at least, if you say you don't use it, at least even 4 times a week is fine. You can use it 4 times, 4 nights, okay? Every night apply it. Massage your face gentle, or all your body. Even you can use it as all your body. The morning you wash it, because fresh lemon is not good for you to use it and go outside. I love you all. Please support this channel. We are doing hair care and also beauty care, how we can do to glow our skin naturally without chemicals, and how we can do to remove our dark spot, our acne, our inner darkness, any part that we have darkness. That's what we are doing, and how we can do to grow our children hair naturally without using any chemicals to their hair again and our hair. Bye.